Okay, here we are back. We're continuing on our line command here in our command options, and we're on our last one here, extension. So let's go ahead and grab a freeform curve at first, and we'll just kind of draw it out here, something like this. And then we'll do a line as well, right? And just get a straight line out there. Now, I'm sure everybody's familiar with, or if you've been using MatrixGold, you're familiar with extend curve, right? And you have some options here, and we'll get into all those later. But right now, we're just going to focus on the extend curve, right? So extend curve, you select it, and it tells you select bounding objects for extension, and then press enter, right? So we select our curve, press enter, and then we select our curve again, and then we can extend it out, right? And you can type in a amount there, and then you have to enter to close it out, right? That's a lot of steps just to extend a curve straight. So if you're wanting to extend a curve straight, only straight, because the extend curve will give you several different options, smooth and a bunch of different things that we won't go into right this moment. But the extend curve, if you just want to extend a curve straight, it's really the easiest, quickest, fastest way to do it. So you just click on your line curve and go to extension, and then just click on your curve, and you can automatically draw it out. So it saves you a lot of extra clicking to get it going, and then you're done. You don't have to hit enter or anything like that. You just click on it, go your line command, go to extension, click your curve, and then extend it out, right? One more time, I'll bring that back from the line command here. Go to line, extend it, and then pick your curve, and then it extends it straight. And you can also do both sides here. You have the both sides options, right? So it's very quick versus going to the extend curve. But the extend curve gives you a lot of different options. Like I said, you can choose types, right? A natural, line, arc, and smooth. And we'll go through all those in a later date here. But the extend curve, if you just want it straight, it's the one to go to. So hopefully this will give you a little quicker to extend any lines that you might need. And let's go on to the rest of the command lines here. I think we have a couple more lines and lines through point, and then we'll be done with the line command and move on to another one.